Today I'm so excited to bring you this review on the HEYMKGO Makeup Brushes 15-piece professional makeup brush set. Y'all, these are high quality makeup brushes. I have so enjoyed them. I probably should have washed them before bringing them in here to show you. It comes with everything that I need for a full face of makeup, for face and eyes. It also comes with a great case that is wonderful for traveling, and I have been using it and taking this entire kit with me when I travel. The one that I do think is so interesting is I've never seen a brush like this. It is a multi-angled brush, and look at that great. It can get into the creases really, really good. I love this brush, but it comes all the way, comes with your big powder brush. I use this one for foundation. I use this one for actual bronzer to actually get into that hollow. Y'all, this is an amazing set of brushes, and they all fit beautifully in this case. I'll put them all down in the case for you. They have held up for me so wonderfully, and I have totally enjoyed. As you see, I can put them all there in their case, and it has a button snap closure, and there I have all my makeup brushes in one case that I need for eyes and for foundation, makeup, blush, and everything. If you're in the market for a good makeup set, put this in your cart today.